Hello everyone, I am Anand Khetan, partner, CFO and Head of Tax Advisory at RÖDL India. RÖDL India is pleased to be associated with first VDMA, European Industry Exchange Forum as the compliance partner. As European companies continue to expand their presence in India, navigating regulatory framework, compliance requirements and managing cross-border business structures is becoming extremely critical. We at RÖDL support international companies in building strong, compliant and future-ready operations in India. This exchange forum brings together leaders from European machinery and manufacturing ecosystem to discuss fresh opportunities, challenges and best practices for operating in India. I look forward to engaging discussions with industry colleagues and sharing perspectives on how companies can navigate compliance and regulatory developments while building long-term success in India. I warmly invite all industry leaders and colleagues to join us on 13th March 26 in Gurugram for this insightful exchange. I look forward to seeing you there.